What is orthogonal array? What is the purpose of going for an orthogonal array table? How to generate an orthogonal array table for our research work using Minitab software. Let us discuss in this lecture video. First, we need to understand about DOE, that is design of experiments. In any kind of research work involving independent and dependent variables, to perform any kind of analysis like optimization analysis or some kind of statistical analysis like regression analysis, ANOVA analysis, etc., the first and foremost step is DOE. Okay, DOE is nothing but planning the experimental analysis by considering the combinations of the selected significant independent variables, that is input parameters. Okay. Taguchi's orthogonal array design is one of the well-known, effective and simplest DOE tool. Taguchi method helps to reduce the cost and time of performing experiments by reducing the number of experiments actually to be performed. Okay. Taguchi method is a fractional factorial design method. Fractional factorial design means, for example, if an experimental analysis consisting of three significant process variables A, B and C, and the three variables are considering at two different levels, first level, second level, first level, second level, and the third factor also is considering at two different levels, then the total number of experimental combinations will be arrived as 2 power 3, totally 8 combinations will get arrived. Okay, the possible combinations are: the first combination can be obtained by setting all the considered parameters at their first level, that is 1, 1, 1. The second combination, the first parameter at its first level, second parameter at its first level, and the third parameter at its second level. Okay. Then the third possible combination is 1, 2, 1. Okay. Next 2, 1, 1. Next possible combination is 1, 2, 2. Next 2, 2, 1. Next combination 2, 1, 2. And 2, 2, 2. So while we are considering three input parameters at two different levels, the possible combinations is totally 8. Okay. This is called as a full factorial design. Okay. But in case of a fractional factorial design, only a selected combinations of input parameter settings will be considered for the design of experiments. Okay. Those combinations will be carefully chosen. In case of Taguchi method, if the analysis consists of three input parameters to be considered at two different levels, the number of combinations of input parameters, that is, the number of experiments to be performed, is only 4. Instead of performing 8 in case of full factorial design. Okay. Similarly, for 4 parameters considering at two levels, the number of experiments to be performed is only 8. And we choose L8 orthogonal array table. Okay. In case of 3 parameters at 3 levels, then L9 orthogonal array table is to be chosen. Okay. This is Taguchi's L9 orthogonal array table. Okay. Instead of performing 3 power 3, that is 27 experiments for full factorial design, Taguchi method suggests only 9 set of combinations. Okay. Here in the first combination, The experiment will be performed by setting the first input parameter at its first level, second parameter at first level, and the third parameter also at first level. Okay. Similarly, in the remaining combinations also, by setting the input factors at their suggested levels, the experiments will be carried out and the required output responses can be recorded. Okay. For example, considering the optimization study performed on the turning process parameters for a newly developed material, the significant input variables considered for the analysis are spindle speed, feed rate, and depth of cut. Okay. Spindle speed is considered at three levels: 500 meter per minute, 1000 meter per minute, and 1500 meter per minute. Feed rate is considered at three levels: 0.2 millimeter per revolution, 0.4 millimeter per revolution, and 0.6 millimeter per revolution. Okay. And depth of cut is also considered at three different levels: 0.5 mm, 1 mm, and 1.5 mm. Okay. For this case, for full factorial design, there will be 3 power 3, 3 levels, power 3 factors is equal to 27 experiments need to be performed. In case of Taguchi method, following L9 orthogonal array table, the experimental combinations are: experimental number 1, spindle speed at its first considered level, that is 500 meter per minute, then feed rate at its first level, that is 0.2 millimeter per revolution, and depth of cut at its first level, that is 0.5 millimeter. Okay. Then for experiment 2, spindle speed at first level, that is 500 meter per minute, feed rate at second level 0.4 millimeter per revolution, and depth of cut at its second level, that is 1.0 millimeter. Okay. Correspondingly, all the experimental combinations can be planned. This set of combinations can be simply generated using Minitab software. This is the Minitab software page. This is our worksheet. Okay. In order to generate the orthogonal array matrix, first we need to click the Stat menu in the menu bar. This is nothing but the statistics menu. Okay. In which we need to select DOE, then Taguchi, then create Taguchi design. Okay. Now we are considering 3 factors at 3 levels. So here select 3 level design and select the number of factors as 3. Next click the display available designs. Here under 3 level select the number of factors as 2 to 4 because we are considering 3 factors. Then click OK. Next click designs. So for 3 factors 3 levels, L27 orthogonal array follows the full factorial design and L9 orthogonal array follows the fractional factorial design. Okay. Select L9 design, then OK. Now select factors. Here we need to feed the considered input factors, their units and their levels. Okay. then click OK, again click OK, then our required L9 orthogonal array design matrix will be displayed in the worksheet. We can try a case study. This work has been published in Proceedings of the Institution of Mechanical Engineers, Part L, Journal of Materials Design and Applications in the year 2021. In this work, the influence of the process variables of ultrasonic assisted stircasting method on the properties of produced composite materials has been tested. The process variables stirring speed, ultrasonic vibration time, and depth of ultrasonic vibration have been considered at 4 different levels as listed in this table. For this case, the experimental design matrix has been generated using Minitab software. For generating the same, we need to first click Statistics menu, then DOE, Taguchi, Create Taguchi Design. So here the factors are considered at 4 level. Number of factors is 3. Display available designs. So for 4 level, number of factors 2 to 5. The available fractional factorial design is L16 orthogonal array design. Okay. Next go to designs, select L16, OK. Next feed the factors. Stirring speed, revolution per minute. Next ultrasonic vibration time. In minutes. Next, depth of ultrasonic vibration. Then click OK. Again click OK. So this is the required L16 orthogonal array design matrix for the proposed experimental analysis. Okay. This is the generated L16 experimental design matrix, and by considering the input parameter combinations, 16 set of composites have been prepared in that research work, and their individual properties have been tested, such as porosity, tensile strength, and wear rate. Okay, using these results, the interpretations have been made in that work. Thank you.